battery life with efficient charging.
Realme GT Neo.
Come on, feel the energy down to the core. An ultra-powerful chip conducting a symphony. When things get tough, embrace this moment in the immortal power in a snap. Realme GT Neo 3. Stakes are high. The heat is on. It's time to release the speed.
Pulls us in like gravity. This is a tribute to racing legends who dared to rewrite history. Speed limit.
Look at you, a Neo you. Harnessing energy in perfect rhythm, reaching a crescendo of might, so that you stay cool.
In pursuit of greater performance. It's our time to jump into the cockpit, turn the ignition,